We see it in movies, sentient robots, sprawling digital minds, a future shaped by thinking machines. But what if I told you that future is already here? From the song recommended to you this morning, to the navigation that guides you home, artificial intelligence is the invisible engine of the modern world. It's a term we hear everywhere. But what does it truly mean? Is it a tool, a partner, or something more? In the next 4 minutes, we will journey from the basics to the profound. To understand what AI is, how it thinks, and how it's poised to reshape our reality. At its core, AI is the science of making machines smart. But not all AI is created equal. First, there's artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. This is the AI we interact with every day. Think of your virtual assistants, or an AI that can master a single game like chess or Go. It's incredibly powerful, but only within its specific program domain. The next step is artificial general intelligence, AGI. This is the stuff of science fiction. A machine with the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problem, just like a human. We're not there yet, but it's the holy grail for many AI researchers. Beyond that lies the theoretical realm of artificial superintelligence, ASI, an intellect that is much smarter than the best human brains in practically every field. Its potential is unimaginable, both promising and daunting. So, how do we teach a machine to think? The primary method is machine learning. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You don't write down a list of rules. You show them pictures. This is a cat. This is also a cat. Over time, the child's brain forms a pattern. Machine learning does the same with data. By feeding an algorithm millions of labeled images, it learns to identify a cat on its own. At the heart of this process are neural networks, digital structures inspired by the human brain. They're made of layers of interconnected neurons. Information passes through these layers, with each layer recognizing more complex features. The first layer might see simple edges, the next combines them into shapes like ears or tails, and the final layer makes a confident prediction: cat. It's through this layered, complex process that AI learns, adapts, and makes decisions. The impact is already staggering. AI is accelerating medical research, helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It's creating new forms of art and music, and it is on the front lines of tackling immense challenges like climate change by optimizing our energy grids. But this is just the beginning. As AI grows more capable, it brings profound questions. What does it mean for our jobs, our creativity, our very definition of intelligence? We are standing at a pivotal moment in history. The development of artificial intelligence could be the biggest event in the history of human civilization. The future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about what we can achieve together. As we look out at the horizon, one thing is certain: our world and our place in it will be forever transformed.